Welcome to IACE. Now we are discussing ma RRB Office Assistant Grand Test 60 ma. Grand Test 60 regarding quantitative part explanation ma. 41 to 45 ma simplifications are there ma. Ma question mark by 4 of nothing but ma 3 nothing but into 3 by 5 into 24 by 25 into 625 ma. Now if you observe ma 625 exact ga 5 times ma. 625 nothing but ma 5 times. 5 times we can cancel ma. Next ma 3 18s we can cancel ma 3 18s 54. Next 6 fours 6 threes 4 4 gets cancelled ma 4 4 gets cancelled ma here 25 into 5 ma 125 some question mark equals to becomes 125 into 5 threes 15 ma 125 into 15 ma all the options are ending with ma 75 ma so 15 5 75 ma 7 balance 15 to the 30 plus 7 ma 37 3 15 1 15 plus 3 ma 18 18 and obviously option B 1875 ma next now we are looking at question number 42 4846 plus 3454 plus 5156 ma 6 plus 4 10 10 plus 6 ma 16 minus 2 14 and 4 ma except of this remaining 4 ma 1 carry on the 1 plus 4 ma 5 5 plus 5 10 10 plus 5 ma 15 15 minus 4 ma 11 3 balance ma 11 and 1 carry 8 plus 1 9 9 plus 4 13 13 plus 1 ma 14 14 minus 3 ma 11 1 1 1 4 and option A ma option A next 4 power question mark into 8 into 128 equal to 56 here ma 128 low it is double time ma 2 fours 4 256 ma so 256 nothing but ma 4 power 4 value ma so option is D next as per BODMAS rule ma first division chesama 264 by 8 ma 264 by 8 nothing but 8 threes are 24 8 threes ma 33 into 12 ma 360 plus 30 ma 396 it is this value ma 396 ma 396 plus 224 ma 5 620 620 minus 64 ma 620 minus 64 ma nothing but ma 556 556 ma under root of 1024 plus under root of 784 minus cube root of 77 plus 4 into 9 ma 1024 is ma 32 square it is 32 it is ma 28 cube root of 77 plus 4 ma 77 plus 4 nothing but ma 81 into 9 ma nothing but that is ma 9 cube entirely ma so that means ma 9 32 plus 28 ma 60 60 minus 9 ma 51 51 ma option D option D next 46 to 50 what approximate values ma approximate 39.98 ma roughly take it as ma 40 percentage it is ma roughly take it as ma 50% of 360 nothing but ma 180 39.98 ma take it as ma 40% take it as ma 260 40% of 260 ma 26 4 times అంటే 104 ma 104 అటు వెళ్తే ప్లస్ మైనస్ అవుతుంది ప్లస్ మా 180 plus 104 ma 180 plus 104 nothing but ma 284 so ఏ number లో 40% వాల్యూ మా ఇన్ విచ్ నెంబర్ 40% వాల్యూ 284 మా రఫ్ గా చూడండి నోట్ ఇట్ మా 40% 240 మా చాలా తక్కువ అయిపోతుంది సో ఇది ఇంకా తక్కువ అయిపోతుందా సో లీవ్ దిస్ 71 ma 10% 71 71 4 ma 284 clearly satisfying ma option C 710 is your answer ma next now we are looking ma question number 47 3 by 4 into 7 by 5 into 100 that equals to question mark minus 3 by 4 into 432 4 ones 108 ma 108 ma here ma 4 5 is 20 25 100 ma so 5 3 is 15 7 ma 105 105 3 into 108 ma 324 becomes plus ma plus 324 nothing but ma 429 ma option A next 48 ma 48 ma 223.97 ma take it as ma 224 224 this one ma 369 this one ma take it as ma 460 460 minus 381 ma. Here ma 4 plus 3 7 plus 2 ma 9 9 1020 1040 1053 ma 1053 minus 381 ma 672 nothing but option D. Next, square root of 29.98% of 449.98 plus 19.96%. It roughly take this 30% of 450 ma 45 3 times 135 20% of 170 ma 17 plus 17 ma 34 nothing but ma root 169 that means ma 13. Next 109.97 ma take it as ma 110 110 by 22 ma that means 5 into 60 ma 5 into 60 that means ma 300 plus 340 315 ma 615 615 minus 220 ma minus 220 ma 495 495 that means ma option A, sorry 395 ma option B ma option B. Next 51 to 55 ma number series questions are there ma 3 8 27 112 565 ma series ma 3 to begin ma increment ma step by step high level on ma. So think in multiplication or combination ma. Here we can write it as ma into 2 plus 2 here ma into 3 plus 3 into 4 and ma 80 plus 20 108 plus 4 ma into 4 plus 4 into 5 plus 5. So next should be ma into 6 plus 6 ma into 6 plus 6 ma or last digit ending with 6 ma ending with 6 ma two options unna 3396 3306 ma. So enta ma 6 5 is 33 balance ma 6 6 is 36 plus 3 ma 39 3390 plus 6 ma 3396 nothing but option A option A. Next 5 10 40 3 to the increment ma ikkada high level ఉంది ma 5 double ma 10 2 times 4 times 8 times ma 2 4 8 double next should be 16 times ma 16 0 0 16 to the 32 48 plus 3 ma 51 5120 option C option C. Next ma 3 6 11 20 question mark 70 ma. Here ma we can write it as ma it is into 2 it is ma into 2 minus 1 ma 6 to the 12 minus 1 ma 11. Next ma it is into 2 minus 2 ma nothing but we can write it ma into 2 minus 0 into 2 minus 0 into 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 2. So next should be into 2 minus 3 ma 20 into 2 minus 3 ma 40 minus 3 that means ma 37 37 ma option C option C ma. Next 48 24 6 ma you can observe this ma 2 times it is 4 times 6 times 8 times ma 2 4 6 8 ma next should be 10 times ma and 12.5 divided by 10 ma that means ma 1.25 1.25 అన్నప్పుడు option B option B ma 1.25. Next 55 ma 7 16 32 7 to 16 ma difference is 9 difference 16 difference ma 25 60 36 ma nothing but ma these are the squares 3 square 4 square 5 square 6 square ma next should be 7 square that means ma 49 93 plus 49 ma 139 142 ma 142 option E ma option E. Next ma 56 to 60 ma quadratic equations ఉన్నాయి ma. So first one ma minus 14 ma 2 sevens are 14 but minus 7 plus 2 ma answers 7 minus 2. Next ma 64 ma 8 8 just 64 ma minus 8 minus 8 y values ma 8 and 8. 7 compared to both ma lesser, minus 2 anyway lesser only ma. So x less than y, option B. Option B. Next 20 ఎక్కడ మా 4 5 20 మా minus 4 minus 5 and answers 4 5 12 3 4s 3 and 4 minus 3 minus 4 ma and answers 3 and 4 ma. 4 is compared to 3 greater compared to 4 ma equal greater equal 5 anyway greater ma x greater than or equals to y, option C ma. Next 2 12s ma 24 24 ma 3 8s are 24 ma 3 plus 8 11 but answers minus 3 minus 8 by 2 ma అంటే minus 1.5 and minus 4 ఇక్కడ ఎంత మా 10 4s are 40 8 5s are 40 ma minus 8 minus 5 ma so answers minus 8 minus 5 by 4 by 4 minus 2 and minus 1.25 ma minus 1.5 is compared to minus 2 ma compared to minus 2 greater compared to minus 1.25 ma lesser ma whenever one greater one lesser ma we can't see the relation cannot be established, option E. Next 15 9th ma 2x plus 3y equal 4 3x plus 2y equals 6 ma. Basic ma we can equate either x terms or y terms ma. First equation ma multiply with 3, second equation ma multiply with 2 ma. So అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది మా 3 2 జా 6 2 3 జా 6 మా x క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది 9y minus 4y మా 5y 9y minus 4 so 12 minus 12 ma 12 minus 12 ma 0 అంటే y equals to 0 ma ఈ y is 0 ma y is 0 x equals to 2 y is 0 x equals to 2 ma ఇక్కడ 0 రాసేస్తున్నామా 2 2s మా సో x2 y0 అంటే x is greater than y, option A ma x is greater than y. Next question number 60 ma 60 6x square minus x minus 1 equals 0 ma 6 into minus 1 ma minus 6 3 2 is 6 ma minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 అన్నప్పుడు x values 3 minus 2 by 6 by 6 ma అంటే half 0.5 minus 0.3 8 1s 8 ma minus 8 4 2s are 8 ma minus 4 plus 2 minus 4 plus 2 అంటే answers 4 minus 2 by 8 half ma 0.5 minus 0.25 0.5 ma both are equal and 0.5 is compared to negative value ma greater only minus is ma compared to that ma lesser ma one greater one lesser ma we can't see relation so relation cannot be established ma relation cannot, option E relation cannot be established. Next 61 simple interest on a certain sum at the rate of 16 2 by 3% per annum for 3 years is 1250 then find the sum. Simple interest ma every year same ma every year same ma every year 16 2 by 3% అని చెప్పాడు అంటే మా 3 years కి 16 2 by 3 into 3 nothing but మా 50%. 50%. The 50% is equal to 1250. Principal అన్నప్పుడు 100% మా అంటే డబల్ 2500, option B. 62 a fraction becomes 5 by 3 when 20% of the numerator is added to numerator and 30% of the denominator subtract from denominator. Let us assume x by y fraction అనుకుందామా x by y జనరల్ గా ఏ నెంబర్ అయినా ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ 100% మా న్యూమరేటర్ కి 20% యాడ్ చేసారు మా అది 100% 20% యాడ్ అవుతుంది అంటే ఇట్ వాస్ బికమింగ్ మా 120%. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ 120% ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్. డినామినేటర్ లో 30% డిడక్ట్ చేశానని చెప్పారు మా జనరల్ గా ఏ నెంబర్ అయినా 100% మా 30% డిడక్ట్ అవుతుంది 70% అవుతుంది మా 70% ఆఫ్ y is equals to 5 by 3. Percentage gets cancelled ma 0 gets cancelled ma so 7 5 are 35 by 36 ma 35 by 36, option A ma option A 35 by 36 ma. Next 63 Raju borrows 6300 rupees from PNB on compound interest at 33 1 by 3 33 1 by 3% అంటే one third అనమాట one third per annum for 2 years. Find the total interest after 2 years. 2 years వచ్చిన ఇంట్రెస్ట్ మా ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఎంత వస్తుందమ్మా వన్ థర్డ్ వస్తుంది. ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ మా ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ వన్ థర్డ్ ఆఫ్ 6300 అంటే ఎంతమా 2100. ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ 2100. సెకండ్ ఇయర్ మా సెకండ్ ఇయర్ 2100 ప్లస్ అగైన్ దీంట్లో వన్ థర్డ్ మా దీంట్లో వన్ థర్డ్ ఎంత మా 3 rows 7 times 700. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ 28. సో ఓవరాల్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఎంత మా 21 plus 28 మా 49 అంటే ఆప్షన్ సి మా 4900. నెక్స్ట్ 64th ma Rahim spends 36% of his monthly income on daily spending, 40% on house rent and children fees together, and the rest amount he saves for future needs ma. అంటే శాలరీలో 36 plus 40 మా 76% ఫినిష్ అయిపోయింది. అంటే ఇంకా సేవింగ్ ఎంత ఉన్నట్టు మా సేవింగ్ ఫర్ ఫ్యూచర్ నీడ్స్ ఇస్ 24% సేవింగ్. If the total savings is 14,400, what is the total ma? And 24% is equals to 14,400. Total ante 100%. What is 100% ma? 24 exactly 6 times ma. 1 ante 600 ma. 100 annappudu 60,000. 60,000 ma. Option D. Next 65. The population of a city after 3 years will be 21,600. If the rate of increment of the population is 20%, then find the present population. Every year 20% increase అవుతుంది. ఇనిషియల్ గా ఎప్పుడు 100% మా 20% ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది 120%. ఇలా 3 times మా బికాస్ 3 years మా. సో అంటే పవర్ 3 ఇంటూ present is equals to 21600. 120% నథింగ్ బట్ మా 6/5. అది కూడా క్యూబ్ ఉందమ్మా. సో 6 cube is 216, 5 cube is 125 into present. So what is the answer ma? 12500. 12500 option A ma 12500. Next 66 to 70. The line graph shows the number of questions asked from different topics of quantitative aptitude to shifts ma SBI clerk prelims ma. So quantitative ఏ టాపిక్ నుంచి ఎన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇస్తారు ఇచ్చిండమ్మా. పర్సెంటేజ్, ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్, SICI, టైమ్ అండ్ వర్క్ అండ్ DI ma. Now what is 66 ma? Number of questions asked in shift 1 from SICI is what percent of is by off into 1 ma. So shift 1 SICI ma, SICI shift 1 nothing but 45 is what percent of number of questions asked from time and work same shift 1 ma, time and work 75 ma. So 45 by 75 into 100, 45 by 75. So 15 3s 15 5s, 3 by 5 nothing but 60%. Option A. Next 67. Find the average number of questions asked from all the given sections in shift to 2 ma. Question asking shift to 2 average. Shift to 2 orange color ma. 60 64 124 126 236 126 sorry 196 196 236 240 plus 80 ma 320 by 5 topics ma 64. Option B ma. Next 68. What is the ratio of the question ma ratio? What is the ratio of the number of questions asked from profit and loss percentage together in shift 1 ma? Profit and loss percentages shift 1 ma blue color percentages 60, profit and loss 80, 140 is to the questions asked from profit and loss time and work shift to profit and loss time and work 100, 25 27 7 is to 5. Option C. Next 69th. What is the difference? Question mark difference annadu. What is the difference between the total number of questions asked in both shifts from all the given sections ma together. Difference between the total number of questions ma అన్నిటికి ఓవరాల్ డిఫరెన్స్ చేసారు. సో వీ కెన్ టేక్ మా ఇండివిజువల్ సమ్ తీసుకొని డిఫరెన్స్ తీసుకోవచ్చు, లేదంటే వీ కెన్ టేక్ మా ఇండివిజువల్ డిఫరెన్స్ అవర్ కంఫర్టబుల్ వే మా వాట్ ఎవర్. ఇఫ్ టేక్ ద ఇండివిజువల్ సమ్స్ మా it is ma 64 plus 60 ma 124 126 196 236 240 320. And shift 1 ma 60 plus 80 ma 140 plus 45 ma 185 190 190 plus 70 ma 260 plus 90 ma 260 plus 90 ma 350. 350 minus 320 ma what is the difference ma 30. 30 nothing but ma option D. Otherwise ma we can take individual differences ma ila individual difference ikkada difference ente ma 4 ma take anyone ఏదైనా ఒకటి ఎక్కువ ఉన్నది పాజిటివ్ అని పెట్టుకోండి, తక్కువ ఉన్నది నెగటివ్. we can take individual difference also ma. Next 70. Total number of questions asked from DI in shift 2 are what percent less than కదా. So DI shift 2 nothing but ma 84 is what percent less than DI in shift 1 90. How much difference ma 6 less than చెప్పారు, we should write ma more. 6 by 90 into 100 ma 6 by 90 into 100 ma. So all the options are in fractional format ma. Fractional format 0 3 3s sorry 3 3s 3 2s ma 20 by 3 ma 20 by 3 nothing but ma 6 2 by 3 option A 6 2 by 3. Next 71 ma the ratio between the length of the trains A and B ma 3 is to 5 and the speed of the train A is 72 and that of B is 54. If they are running in opposite to each other, if A crosses the train B in 16 seconds, then find the length of the train B ma. Train B length enta, both are traveling in opposite directions ma. So basically distance means ma speed into time. Distance nothing but two train lengths ma. One is 3 parts, another is 5 parts ma. Together is how many parts ma? 8 parts. Speed ma both are running opposite direction, we should add the speeds ma 72 plus 54 ma 126 to convert in terms of meter per second ma into 5 by 18 into time is ma 16 seconds. 18 ones 18 sevens 8 twos ma 5 twos are 10 10 sevens are 70 ma. One part is 70 ma, one part is 70, but question asking ma what is the length of train B? 5 parts. If one part is 70 ma 5 parts will be 350 ma. 350 and option A ma. Otherwise ma we can move one by one option verification also we can get the answer ma. Next Ramesh and Ramu enter into a partnership with their initial sum is 36 and 48 ma. After 6 months a third person Keshav also joined ma. Third person Keshav also joins with his initial capital is 24,000. After a year the total profit is 6400. Find the profit share of Ramu ma. So well investments ma 36 48 24 all are 12 table numbers ma. So 12 threes 12 fours 12 twos, but first person second person start here after 6 months third person started ma అంటే వాళ్ళ time period ma into 12 into 12 into 6 ma into 6 nothing but ma 6 ones 6 twos 6 twos, still we can cancel ma 2 2 2 nothing but 3 is to 4 is to 1 3 plus 4 7 plus 1 ma 8 parts 8 parts 6400 ma and one part is 800 ma. One part is 800. Question asking share of Ramu nothing but second person ma 4 parts and ma 3200 ma 3200 ma option C. Next 73 the sum of the present age of P and Q ma present age of P and Q is 54 years and after 4 years the ratio of their ages will be 2 is to 3 ma. After 4 years ma ratio is 2 is to 3 2 is to 3. Then question asking what is the present age of P ma present age of P ఎంత అన్నాడు. So we can take ma 2x 3x అలా తీసుకోవచ్చు మా 4 years ఈ రేషియో అను కాబట్టి ఎవ్రీ పర్సన్ 4 years ఇంక్రీజ్ మా అంటే 54 plus 8 ma 54 plus 8 ma nothing but 62 years ma. So this 5 parts means 62 years ma 5 parts means 62. సో క్యాన్సల్ మా డెసిమల్ వాల్యూ వస్తుందమ్మా. ఆల్ ద ఆప్షన్స్ ఆర్ ఇన్ డెసిమల్ వాల్యూ అన్నమా, డెసిమల్ వాల్యూ మా. సో వాట్ ఇస్ ద వన్ పార్ట్ మా? 5 ones 12, 5 twos are 10, 12.4, 12.4 ma. Then P will be two parts, 12.4 into 24.8. P age ma 24.8. ఎప్పుడమ్మా? After 4 years 24.8 and the present age will be 20.8 ma. 20.8, nothing but option D. 74. In how many different ways the letters of the word Gogger be arranged ma? Gogger total ma 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters ma, so 6 factorial. But G is repeating as well as for A is repeating ma. So G repeating 2 times, 2 factorial, A repeating 2 times ma, 2 6 factorial value ma, 720 by 4. 720 by 4, nothing but ma 180 ma. A dice is thrown up, find the probability of getting an odd number on the upper face ma. Odd number ma. Whenever one dice roll చేసినప్పుడు ma, total 6 faces ఉంటాయి. So total ma 6 possibilities. In that odd numbers ma, 1 to 6 లో odd numbers ma, 1, 3, 5. 3 odd numbers will be there ma. So 3 by 6, nothing but ma half. Option C. Next. 76 ma. 13% of 400, nothing but ma, it is 52. 17%, nothing but ma 85. 44% of 625 ma. 44% ma, we can take it as ma 40% plus 4%. లేదు అంటే మా 50% minus 6%. మన comfortable. 40%, 10 percentage is 62 and half. 62 and half 4 times మా 250. మళ్ళీ 4% దాంట్లో 10 times మా, దాంట్లో 10th part 25 మా, అంటే 275. That will becomes మా 275. X plus 275. 275 ma. So ఎంత మా 52 plus 85 ma, 52 plus 85 ma, 80, 137 becomes minus ma. 137 minus అంటే 137 ma. Difference ma 63, 63, 133, 138, minus 138 ma. Minus 138, option A. Option A ma, minus 138. Next. 24% of 125 తీసుకోవచ్చమా, లేదంటే రివర్స్ 125%. 125%, nothing but ma 5 by 4, 4 6, that means ma that is 30. Reverse చూస్తే 50% ma, that means 24 into 2. 54 into 2 ma 108. Option B. Next. 2 1 by 3 ma, convert చేస్తే 3 to the 6 plus 1 ma 7 by 3 into 28 plus 2 ma 30 by 7 into 9 plus 1 ma 10 by 3 into 81 ma. 81 ma. Here ma 3 into 3 ma 9 nines. 7 gets cancelled ma. 3 nines ma 2700. Option C. 2700 ma, option C. Next. As per BODMAS rule ma, first ma division 70 by 14, nothing but ma 5. 90 into 5 ma 450. This minus 15. Some x minus 30%, nothing but ma 75 ma. 450 minus 15 ma 435 plus 75 ma 510. 510, option B. Option B ma. Next. Mixed fractions ma, first to do the normal numbers, next move to the fractional part ma. Plus 4 minus 4 ma, this plus 4 minus 4 gets cancelled ma. 3 minus 5 becomes 4 plus 3 plus 5 ma 8. 3 plus 5 ma 8. Now we are looking at fractional part. It is half ma, minus half it was plus ma, half plus half ma 1. This part also finished. ఇంకా మిగిలింది 2 మా. 3 by 4 minus 3 by 5 ma. 15 minus 12 ma, అంటే 3 by 20. So 8 plus 1 ma, 9, 3 by 20 ma. 9, 3 by 20, nothing but ma, option A. Option A, right ma.